watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Carl Fredrickson from Up. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now, before I get into the supplies, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. A few supplies we'll need as always includes a blank piece of drawing paper and a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. We're only going to need 4 different colors today. You'll need a tan and you'll need 3 shades of brown. Well, I think we'll do really great on this drawing. Let's go try to draw Carl Fredrickson and let's see what we can come up with. For the first step in making Carl Fredrickson, we're going to begin by making a circle in the middle of the page for the nose. The next step will be to make the glasses on each side of the nose. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a square shape on the left side, and then we're going to go ahead and outline it with another square shape, and then we're going to do the same thing to the right side. Now on the top of the glasses, we're going to begin to make bushy eyebrows. Awesome, now we're going to go a little lower where we will make a curved line going to the left side of the nose, and then we're going to make one going from the right side of the nose. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to give him a grumpy face. But if you want to give him a smile and make him happy, that's okay too. Now we're going to make a line coming down from each side of the glasses. After we finish making these lines, we're going to make a line going straight across and we're going to connect them. Great, now we're going to move up top where we will begin to make the hair for Mr. Fredrickson. Now on each side of the head, we're going to make a C-like shape for the ears. Now right below the chin, we're going to begin to make a bow. And underneath of that bow, we're going to begin to make the belt. Awesome, now we're going to begin to make the jacket and the arms for Mr. Fredrickson. On each side, we're going to go ahead and we're going to give him a small hand. If you want to draw his hand differently than we're making his hand right now, that's okay too. Once we complete making the hands, the next step will be to make the legs. It's important to remember that Carl Fredrickson has very small eyes. This is how to draw Carl Fredrickson from Up. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Up. Now color in your Carl Fredrickson with us.